Series 2 tail lights to replace these plastic ones. See if you look in here. Get up and close in here. A bit of condensation and the indicator starting to grow mold on it, so I'm gonna replace these out. I've got the Series 2 ones, which were hard to find and not cheap. Straight from Toyota. So the thing with going from Series 1 to Series 2 is you also have to buy wiring looms. So the wiring looms are also not cheap, but so what I'll show later is these wiring looms for the Series 2 use a wedge format, whereas the other ones have a screw in. So when we pull them out, we can show that. But these ones are just straight plug-in harnesses straight into the old wiring. This is the tail light itself. So if you look at that compared to the Series 1, which side is it? It's got the grey background compared to that dark pushed in, I don't know, matte black sort of cheap paint that came out on the Series 1s. But these ones will make it look so much nicer. To get the tail lights off, you undo these two mounting bracket holes here, and then on the inside we've got to take off this cover, and then there's another one on the inside over here. The condensation in here is caused. These are the water drains for everything. So if you come along this side, I cleaned this one out ages ago, and then it started getting water inside the tail light. So the seal's given on that one, but if you look over here, the reason this one probably hasn't given is because there's all this dirt stopping the water from actually going inside the tail light. So this actually needs to be cleaned. If you don't clean these, you get this. All this.
Oh, that's nice.
The hatch has been like repainted, they're just sprayed over top of the tail light. Supra. Still haven't got the original Toyota. I could probably just work with these.
Original Toyota Tours.
Probably sell them for like 800 bucks. JZ Dex. That should pop off. We've got to take off both these side panels because if you look in here, you can't really get to the rest of the wiring loom or to the tail lights without removing this piece, which is a pain, but it's got to be done. Oh. Here we go. So what the seal here is holding it in. I don't know what, because it looks like it's clipped onto that seal there. Oh. What if we'll try this one and see if this one just pops out. Where's my Toyota branded screwdriver? Maybe in Japan. Look at all the rust. Moss and mold. This car needs some loving.
It needs some tender loving care.
Oh, that sounds good. Oh, just a little wiggle. Oh, I see. It's held on by like a rod. Just like that.
Oh, you need it.
See? Compared to the old bulbs, well, the new bulbs in the Series 2, these ones are screw-ins, whereas the other ones are wedges.
Wedges with the little rusties. You too can look like me.
White tape's
Boy,
gone like
I'm scared.
vanilla. There you go.
I'm scared you're gonna poke that screwdriver marble.
So then just pop that one out. See like the scratches and she's seen better days. Okay, so now that all of this is clean or cleanish, and cleaned out all the waterways and stuff, we'll chuck the headlight in there and get the new wiring loom hooked up, put all the bulbs in. Okay, so first we'll just feed this right one through. So that one's in, looks so much better, so now we'll move into the left one and get them both in. So this one's sealed, is what was holding it in. Ooh, nasty. So if we take that one off, you can see all the old parts, which goes left. Luckily these ones come with no seals in them. So we just feed it through there, and then just basically just gotta force that rubber grommet through. Give it a wiggle around until it pops in. Push the top in, just like that. Give it a nice little seal. Find out where's the plug missing in that one. So this one has 6 prongs, the other one doesn't. So chuck them in. See, these ones clip. These ones just require a wiggle. Undo these.
These nuts.
I have ligma. So the old bobs didn't slide in there, but these ones,
they clip.
I always feel like I'm gonna break it because it's like that fresh feeling, you know? So that tucks under there. There we go. Okay, so that. So you can just. It doesn't really need to go through there, does it? Sad what happened to Joe.
Who's Joe? I don't.
Joe Mama.
Excuse me.
The one problem I've had, well, the other problem I had with the other side was these seals wanting to fit snug in there. So you gotta sort of like. So much better. Really, half a day job. Take it out for some spins and then get some nighttime photos. Hey guys, thanks for watching. They came out really nice. If you like this video or want more, subscribe and like. Check out the other video of me installing a Mishimoto radiator, and there'll be more to come.